jammed. I don't know. They're in West Virginia. Apparently they got some snow. They're not answering anything. I can't even get a conversion kit to run on natural gas, so I don't have to worry about filling up the generator with gasoline. But I'll tell you, buddy, it's really getting old. We have friends coming over here to get warm. I'm making them coffee. We had one of my daughter's friends left here last night because her mother has pneumonia. She's in the doctor's office on a nebulizer. She spent the night. I drove 60 miles looking for gas for the generator. Last night I go out at midnight.
Beautiful view.
Waiting online for about 25
City
minutes.
down there by the lake.
A car cuts in front of the line.
Talking to a WR2I Mark, local 440 repeater. Talking about the chaos ensuing after Hurricane Sandy.
This guy just cut the line? I'm thinking to myself, I think he did. And then I noticed the guy in front of me with his head out the window screaming at the guy.
There are lines, square block radius, waiting for fuel. That's what he's talking about. It's getting crazy. People fighting over gas because there's no gas.
I don't know if you noticed, but the line is all, starts back there. I said, if you don't go back there, you're going to have a lot of pissed off people right now. He rolls up the window and just drives ahead, like I'm not even there. And he did this 3 times.
Torn down trees have been uprooted.
In front of his car, and I tell the guy that he cut in front of us, I said, drive around him. Yeah, I'm not moving till you're in front of him. And then we did the same thing, and nobody else did anything. But, I'm standing in front of his car, and I'm not letting him move, and he starts dialing his phone. I said, go ahead, call. You're doing me a favor. Make you familiar with the net. Okay, we got you there, Craig. Kilo Echo 7, Quebec, Bravo. It's Craig in Virginia.
ICOM AH703.
V1JM, got you, Jim.
Military Molly Pack.
Bill. Okay, Craig, give me a clarification on that call. Is it Kilo Echo 7 Quebec Bravo, or is there another letter to it? November. Quebec Bravo November?
ICOM W2A.
Quebec Bravo November on the end there, Bob.